So in this video, you're going to learn how to make a WordPress website with Divi theme tutorial. So guys, let's begin. If you're new here, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So first things first, we are going to go to Bluehost, because this is one of the best web hosting. It has a free domain, free SSL, and one-click installation. So we are going to purchase it, and I have a 70% discount. The link is in the description. And the reason we are choosing this Bluehost is because it has one-click installation, and they give you a free domain for first year. So all you have to do is click here, get started, select the recommended. I have a 70% discount. Fill in your domain. Okay, so I'm just going to write something else because I've already purchased the domain. Click next, and then just fill out all your information. And then I have a 70% discount, and always select 12 months. And then once you purchase it, you'll get an email confirmation. Then you just have to go to Bluehost. Okay, log in, and then put in your account name and password, and then you'll be taken into the Bluehost dashboard. And creating a website is really easy. All you have to do is go to my sites, create a new site. I'll be calling it Divi tutorial. Divi. Okay, and click next. And guys, I'm not going to just unselect all of these. Okay, and then just don't mention this thing. The reason I have already a domain, so I've already created a website using Divi theme. So I'm gonna use Divi as a directory. So you don't have to put this thing, just Yavar Khan, or just select your domain from here. So for me, it's yavarkhan.com. For you, it might be your domain. Just click next, and guys, within 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1. And see, your website is ready. Congratulations guys, within 3 seconds you have created your WordPress website. Now all you have to do is click on login to WordPress. And once you're in your dashboard, it's loading, and it's going to take like at least 5 seconds to load. So once you're on your dashboard, the first setting you have to do is come on settings, click on permalinks. Just select post name. The reason we are doing it is because currently right now our post name shows some numbers, but we want it to show as the post name. So just select post name and save changes. The second thing we have to do is coming soon active. Just click over here. Usually what Bluehost does is it makes your site, I'm just going to show it to you. So if you just open your site in incognito, this is your website right now. It's showing coming soon. So all you have to do is just launch your website. And once you launch your website, so currently your website looks like this. So now once this is done, all you have to do is click on appearance themes. So for me the best theme is elegant theme. This is one of the best themes, because the reason for that is it's constantly uploaded, updated, and it's a drag and drop builder, so you don't have to spend money on landing pages, email opt-ins. So currently right now the price is 89, but I have a 20% discount. The link is down below. So I've already downloaded the theme. So once you go to your dashboard, you need to, so currently right now I'm in my elegance themes members area. I downloaded the Divi theme. So I got this, so I'll just download it again. So this is the zip file. Once you get this zip file, all you have to do is come back to your dashboard, come back to click on themes, upload a theme. Okay, just click on upload a theme. Okay, so themes, so appearance, I'm just gonna do it again. Upload a theme. Take this folder and just drop it over here. Install now. So my theme is installed. I'm just gonna click on activate, and my website now currently Divi theme is installed, and this is my website. So what I'll do is, the first things first, I'm gonna go over here, click on theme options. So I'm gonna upload my logo. So I've created a video on how you could make your logo in 1 minute. So the video is on my YouTube channel. So as you could see over here how to create a logo for free in 5 minutes. So I've created a video. So I'm just gonna upload the video over here. I'm gonna upload my logo. Once this is done, set as logo, save changes. Now next thing you have to do is general, come to general settings, general, your site, put on your site title, your tagline. Next thing is come on discussions, or come on readings. So you want to be your home page as a different page. So I'm just gonna select a sample page, click here, and then go visit your site. Once you're on your site, you just have to select enable visual builder. So this is a Divi drag and drop page builder. It's very easy to use. So it's loading. So once it's loading, it will show you a video, but I'll just say start building. I'm going to choose a pre-made layout, and then I'm gonna, if I want to make a fashion website, I'm gonna choose this. You could see the live demo over here for the website. So it looks really good. So I'm just gonna select the home page. Okay, I'm gonna use this layout. So you need to put your username and API key. So just put in your, once you purchase Divi theme, you'll get this one on your email. So once you put your username and the API key, and then this is how it shows. So as you could see, everything is loaded over here. Now what you have to do is just click, if you want to delete this, just click over here and delete. So this is your website right now. It looks really good. You just have to save. And the V theme is really easy to use. It's just a simple drag and drop build. I'm just going to show it to you. If you could, this shows you the overview of your website. This is how your website looks. If you want to delete, just delete this. If you want to add something, it's very easy to add as well. If you want to make the height low, big, it's really easy. It's gonna come here. If you want to add something, you can add a regular section. And then so what am I gonna do is delete this again. If I want to add something, I'm gonna add 3 columns. For one column, I'm gonna add a button which says click here. For another column, I'm gonna add an image. Click here. Okay, I'm not gonna add an image right now, but then for another column, everything is over here, guys. You can add anything over here. You can add a slider, you can add a pricing table. Save changes. So this is your home page right now. If you want to make changes to this thing, it's really easy. So let's say right now we are going to create a new page called About Us, and I'm going to show you how you can add over here. So let's create About Us, publish the page, use the default, use Divi builder, click over here. So now it's loading. So once you're over here, again click on browse layouts. So you don't have to build from scratch, everything is done for you. What I usually do is I use a template and then I make changes to it. So it's which is really easy for me. And I mean, whatever is done, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Whatever is created, you can use that. So as you could see, this is done again. So About Us. So it's very easy, guys. So let's say I want to change the image. Click on settings, just replace the image Add image. I'm gonna add my image. I'm gonna just select file, just go on Yavar. I'm gonna use this image. It's a big image, so I think so it will take a little time to upload, but so now I'm waiting for it. And once this is done, just upload an image. And so my image is uploaded. I'm just gonna upload my image, and my image looks really good. Just save. As you could see right now, I'm just gonna see an overview. So as you could see, my website looks really good. This is my photo. I'm just gonna change the color for this background. Looks because it's pink. So what am I gonna do is select over your background, make it something different, or make it strong. Yeah, like this one looks good. Select the other color is, yeah, just a little shade. Save it. Save. Once this is done, looks good, right? So yeah, and just to make changes to it, it's really easy. Come back to your dashboard, click on appearance, menus. Once you're here, just select home menu, just create a menu, and just click about us, add to menu, and primary menu, and save menu. And then once you go back to your website, just I need to save it, yeah, and just refresh your website. So as you could see now, there's about us. My website looks really good. So guys, this is how you create your WordPress website with Divi theme. I hope you really like the video, and I have a free bonus for you. So guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is in the description. It's a free course. I tell you how to use WordPress, the best plugins for SEO, for WordPress security. So go over there and sign up, and please consider subscribing if you like the video. Thank you.